Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping blocks, I'm going to be making you guys mustard fried ribs with barbecue sauce. Alright, so I'm going to be with barbecue sauce, and the other one just gonna be mustard fried ribs. But they all gonna be mustard fried ribs, really. Anyway, let me tell you about this French's. Now I buy mine like this in bulks. I have this one also. Both of them taste good. You can get the generic brand or whatever the case may be. It works. It tastes the same to me. I tried it with all of it. So I did put like a half a cup of mustard in here. Alright, I did add some seasoning in there. I put half a teaspoon of sea salt. Then I put some black pepper. I put some oregano. I put some chili. I put some everything. I should have just had it out here on the table, but I didn't want to mess up all the stuff. Anyway, I seasoned well. You can season however you want to season yours. Okay. This is my own specialty. I'll show you that another time, okay? So let's get right into it. We're just going to mix this up, guys, with our hands, like so. I did let this marinate for over 24 hours. I let it room temperature for about good half an hour. Because you don't want to fry it cold, okay? Some people say you can and all that stuff, but I don't agree, but that's just me. When we do that, we come over to our trusty bag. I don't have any seasoning in this bag. And if you want them to be super tender, all you have to do is pretty much is brine it, which is salt and water. But don't over salt it, okay? So I put a few on at a time. Then I shake that up. Get it well coated. Like that. Put the remainers. And I'm going to shake this up, and then I'm going to take you guys over there. Take off this glove, because I'm done with it. So you let this sit in the bag for about 5 minutes. That's how you get your thicker coat on your ribs. And right before you put it in there, you shake it up again, okay? Alright guys, see you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. We're going to get these ribs. I've been sitting for about 4 to 5 minutes. And my deep fryer is ready. So, take one at a time. Just kind of like lay it in there. It's going to be a quick video. I like quick videos. Last one. We're going to let this sucker cook about 15 minutes at the most. Alright guys, we're just going to let that cook. We ain't going to do nothing but let it cook. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Let's check on these. Yep, that one done. So that's the biggest piece right there. And don't get it twisted. I do got a temperature gauge too. Alright. But I know. I'll show you how to use that another day. But I know when this stuff is done. I'm going to put it back in there for about 2 more minutes. I'm going to take them out. I'm going to paint them up. With some of them up with the barbecue brush. And I got to see you in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. There you go. Mustard fried ribs with barbecue sauce. And I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to keep it real with you. As soon as I get up off here, I'm gonna paint them all red. Oh my goodness. If you can only take, I got piece over here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't even describe how good that is. But they all gonna get painted, I guarantee you that. Yeah. OMG. You guys gotta try this mustard fried ribs. Oh my goodness. Here. Let me see if you guys can get your good view of that. Oh. Eat that piece right there, y'all. Oh my God. Oh, it tastes so good. I'll bite it for you. Okay? I'm gonna bite it for you. Super delicious. I don't want to put it down. I can't even wrap this up. I'm gonna have to put this down. OMG. I outdid myself this time. But here it is. I'm gonna show it to you up close. Oh yeah. You guys definitely gotta try this recipe. Off the chain, the ribs are tender. OMG. I can't stop talking. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up. Please give me a like, a share, and a comment, and subscribe to the channel and tell all your friends and family to come to this channel and check it out. And please, that's right, please hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in DOGG'S Kitchen. I'm tying the egg in a minute.